In this guide, we are going over how you can get the highest damage here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, damage comes from stacking multiple systems together, not just one upgrade. Let's go ahead and start with your stats. You want to focus on the damage. You want to go ahead and focus on your crit chance, your crit damage, and your cooldown reduction to increase DPS. Next, you have your traits. Obviously, make sure that you're selecting traits that are the strongest. Singularity right now is the very best in the game, and it gives one of the highest damage boosts. Your race is also going to matter, though. Slime race is good, Servant race is good, and Kitsune race is a balanced option with a little bit of damage and luck. But titles are also going to provide you with a little bit of boost. So what you can do is just open up your inventory, and then you'll see your titles on there as well. Whoops, I accidentally hit this dude. Give me a sec. When you open up your inventory, open up those titles and you'll see whatever titles you can go ahead and equip. Obviously, the further down they are, the better they're going to be in terms of boss. And you can unlock these by defeating bosses or completing boss requirements. You can also unlock the Armnet Hockey on Snow Island and level it by defeating enemies. It's going to increase your damage scaling. Just make sure that you're farming strong accessories from bosses and enchant them at Shibuya Station to increase their stats. Upgrade weapons as well using the blessing system for, level 10 is going to be the max, and that's going to give you additional power. And run the rune dungeon to get more runes. The Wrath rune is the best in the entire game for damage. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.